All right, you guys, it's your boy Taylor Grant. You know who I am. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Okay, today's comes to us from David of Fort Collins, Colorado. He says, "What a scam. I have no idea why we even have homeowners insurance. They basically lied to us because they don't want to pay for our roof to be fixed. Now we have to hire a lawyer to go after them for insurance fraud. This has been over 6 months now and never resolved, and we now have black mold because they refuse to fix our roof. Please save your money and your home and go with another reputable insurance company that will not just take your money every month for no reason. P.S. Roof coverage is included in our insurance plan." This is a deal. I know a lot of people feel taken advantage of when the insurance company doesn't do the right thing, and I don't blame you. I feel that same way, right? I feel that for my clients, and it makes me angry, and that's the reason why we don't do so well, is because we're tenacious. We are very tenacious when it comes to getting insurance claims paid. They can tell us no 10 times, we keep fighting, right? They push us down, we get back up, and that's the thing, is we will do the fighting for you so you don't have to do it yourself, and we know how to do that, right? And unfortunately, when it gets to this point, it is a fight, right? We don't try to be adversarial up front. Sometimes it goes that route. But if you need help with an insurance claim and you feel like you are being scammed and your insurance policy covers the damage that you're asking for the insurance company to pay for, you gotta question why they're not paying for it. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.